This 2026 East to West Entrada 210NS is a Class C RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina, 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6 and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2026 East to West Entrada 210NS is built on a Chevy Express 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.